Welcome to my trial kitchen. Today I'm making pulka. I'm from South India, so we call everything as chapati, but pulka and chapati is different. Today I'm making pulka. In another day we will see how to make a chapati. To prepare this chapati, we need wheat flour, or we can go for the protein flour or multigrain atta. Today I'm having the wheat flour, so I am taking the wheat flour. We need little bit of oil, and some people likes to add salt with this, but I prefer the pulka without it salt, because whenever I add salt I feel little bitter taste, so I prefer the pulka without a salt. Today I'm making chapati for 2 people, so I'm taking 2 cups of flour. For this 2 cups, 1 tablespoon of oil is sufficient, but I like the olive oil flavor, so I'm going to add little more oil. Whenever I make chapati, I always got a puppet kind of chapati. After a long lesson I have learned this, how to make this soft one. Once you add the oil, just mix the oil in the flour thoroughly. This is a warm water. The mixing of water in the flour is very important. Just add the water little by little. Don't mix all the water all together. Just add little and mix that water in the flour thoroughly. Just make the very tight dough. Once you mix all the flour as a single ball, keep the ball in a container and keep that flour aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes we can make the chapati or pulka. This flour making is common for chapati and pulka. 30 minutes is over now. I have taken a small ball of dough and I'm rolling that. The rolling is also an important. We have to always do the rolling the full way. Don't start or stop in the middle. Always do the roll the rolling pin on the chapati on the full roll. Don't start or stop in the middle. Once you get the thin layer, stop rolling it and put the pulka on the tawa. I kept the tawa in medium flame. Once you put the pulka on tawa, wait for the chapati or pulka to give the little bubble. Don't do anything, just don't press or anything. Once you get the little bubble, turn the other side. Once you get the bubble on other side also, keep the tawa aside and increase the flame to high and put the pulka on top of it. Make sure how much dark you want and turn the pulka another side also. In on top of this pulka you can add little ghee or butter for the enhanced flavor.